Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The President of Turkmenistan received the Vice President of the EBRD. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov received the Vice President of the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, EBRD, Mark Bowman. During the exchange of views on priority aspects of interaction, the effective and long-term nature of cooperation between Turkmenistan and the EBRD was stated. Considering that new promising areas of partnership are opening up, the readiness of Turkmenistan, which has rich natural resources, to diversify cooperation in the energy sector was outlined. It was also noted that our country is taking consistent steps to introduce environmentally friendly technologies into the industry and develop green energy, which open up wide opportunities for the EBRD's participation in projects and initiatives in the field of sustainable energy implemented in Turkmenistan. Transport was also noted as a promising area of cooperation, in particular through the activation of international routes along the Caspian Sea and the development of the transport and logistics system in the region, taking into account the favorable geographical location of our country. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov took part in the opening of the second phase of the Lebap cement factory. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov made a working trip to Lebap Velayat, where he took part in a solemn opening ceremony of the second turn of the Lebap cement factory, with an annual capacity of 1 million tons in Koytendag Etrap. The complex, including 38 buildings and objects, is capable to make a year 1 million tons of high-quality cement production corresponding to the international standards, including sulfate-resistant cement. At realization of the second turn of the Lebap cement works all industrial and living conditions for work and rest of about 250 workers were envisaged. So in the year, the Fount of Wisdom of Magdim Gulifragi in Baryjynyň Etrap of Akal Velayat, it is planned to put into operation one more new object, the second turn of the Baryjynyň cement, works equipped with modern innovative technologies, which will also produce 1 million tons of high-quality cement a year. Turkmenistan has been admitted to the Union of Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Turkic countries. An extraordinary meeting of the General Assembly of the Union of Chambers of Commerce and Industry of the Turkic countries was held. During the meeting, the issue of accepting the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Turkmenistan into permanent membership in the Union of Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Turkic-speaking countries was considered. Following the meeting, the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Turkmenistan was admitted to the Union of Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Turkic-speaking countries. The Union of Chambers of Commerce and Industry of Turkic countries was created in 2019, which is an effective platform for the further development of trade and economic cooperation between the Turkic states. Currently, the union includes Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkey, and Uzbekistan. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.